Hi everyone, now we are going to look at the fourth question of STATS-2 for IIT Madras Data Science. In this question, we are going to compare and contrast to the options. Here, I have already made the total values for the independent variables of 0, 1 and 2 for the values of x. So I have summed up, and similarly for the values of y, I have summed up, and the total value for the probability mass function should be equal to 1 while adding all the values. Therefore, this table is right. So with these values, we are going to compare and contrast the different answer options. Now, before going into the answer option, first and foremost, let us look at the condition for independence or the independence condition. The probability of x comma y is equal to probability of x into probability of y for all independent variables. Okay, this is the very important condition you should keep in your mind. Now, applying this condition, let's test some values. So first I am going to take 0 and 0. So the value of x 0 and the value of y 0. Okay. So probability of 0 comma 0 is equal to, so individual probability of the x value 0 and the individual probability of y value 0. Now first let us look at the LHS. LHS is left hand side. So 0 and 0, the value we are going to get is 1 by 12. So the same value we should get for the individual value of x. So the other name for individual value is the marginal distribution function of x. Okay. So since this is the x value, so again looking at the formula, let us see. So the probability of the marginal distribution of x and marginal distribution of y. So marginal distribution of x is the independent value of x and the marginal distribution of y is independent value of y. Now substituting the values, since we have taken the x and the y values both as 0. Now for 0 comma 0, first individually for x. So for x individually the 0 value is 4 by 12. So 4 by 12 into. Okay, now the y value we are going to concentrate here 0, that is 24 by 96. So 24 by 96. So now let us deduce by cancelling. 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, and similarly, so 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 1 2s are 2, 12 2s are 24. Therefore 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. LHS is equal to RHS. This proves that the values are independent. But at the same time, while testing for the one pair of values itself, you should not get satisfied. You should also check the random values, like, so I'll take here x is 2 and y is 1. Now let us test other kind of values. Just listen very carefully. So with p of 2 comma 1 is equal to p of 2 so p of 2 into p of 1. Let us find the value for 2 1. So which is 2 and 1, the value which is exactly coinciding is 1 by 8. The same 1 by 8 you should get it the right hand side. So the marginal distribution for the value 2. The marginal distribution for the value 2 here we have got it as 4 by 24. And similarly, the place of y, the marginal distribution value for 1. So we will be getting it as 6 by 8. Now cancelling the values, 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24, 6 and 6 they are getting cancelled. Therefore 1 by 8, therefore 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. So here we are proving again LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore it proves the condition that x and y are independent random variables. So therefore, the first answer option is correct. But second answer option, if you see, in the first option we already proved they are independent. Hence, they are not dependent. Therefore, option 2 is wrong. Now, let's look at the third option. So, we're looking at the third option for P of x less than or equal to 1. Okay, so we are going to focus on the x value. From the table we are going to see. So x values 0, 1, 2 we are having. So x less than 1 means, so x is first x less than 1. So therefore the value which is less than 1 is 0. Okay, then next x equal to 1. Okay, fine. Now let us add these values. So P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1. Okay, since in this lesser than equal to itself, less than 1 means the value is 0 and equal to 1 is the x is the value equal to 1. Now finding the total for each of the value. For x is equal to 0, 4 by 12, and for x equal to 1, it is 4 by 8. Now substituting this value 4 by 12 and 4 by 8. 4 by 12 plus 4 by 8. So 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12, so 1 by 3, and 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. The LCM is 6. So 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 5 by 6. So while comparing the answer options, therefore P of x less than or equal to 1 is equal to 5 by 6. Therefore option 3 is also correct. Now let us check the final option also. So they have given the option 4 as P of y equal to 1. In the option 4, they have given us P of y equal to 1 under the condition x equal to 2. Okay, that means if you look at it very carefully, P of 2, that is the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. You can ask me, sir, they have given only y equal to 1. If you look at that very carefully, they already mentioned x equal to 2. In the denominator already condition, that is P of x is equal to. So this 2, the total value we are going to find out. But at the condition, x should be 2 and y should be 1. So therefore, first we look at P of 2 comma 1. So 2 and 1, here we are getting 1 by 8. Here we are getting 1 by 8. And P of x equal to 2, the total value of 2, while searching for it, here, so x equal to 2, which is 4 by 24. Okay, now while solving, equal to 1 by 8, this value will get reversed while going up. 1 by 8 into 24 by 4. So 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24, 6 by 8, which should be equal to 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 by 4 should be the answer. But while checking the answer options, it is 1 by 4 instead of 3 by 4. Therefore, it is a wrong answer. So therefore, the correct answers are option 1 and option 3. Therefore, while concluding, we can write it as option 1 and 3 are correct. Hope you liked my video. If you like my video, kindly press the like button, comment your feedback. Therefore, it helps me to produce the quality content. Kindly share it with your friends. Thank you so much.